Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's products are available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect for storing leftovers or maybe transferring food for your lunch. And that is, it is a series of glass storage containers. This comes as a 6-pack. So this was sent over by a company called BOROHOUSE. It's gonna come in this little box right here. And you're gonna get a ton of different size of glass containers for all those leftovers to transport and utilize. What I love about this is it's made out of borosilicate glass. And what is that? It's basically a little bit different than regular glass because these things can go straight from the freezer right into your oven or your microwave without the glass cracking. So they're really, really tough. And they're also not made out of plastic, so you don't have to worry about those plastic leaching into your food over time. It's made out of glass, which is great. So first off, you're gonna get a lot of different sizes. So you're gonna get basically 2 nice round containers here, and then you're gonna get 4 of the rectangular containers. You're basically going to range on the low end. The smallest one's gonna be about 1.6 cups, and the largest one is going to be about 6.4 cups. All of them are going to have these really nice little kind of plastic lids. They have a nice silicone seal all the way around them. These things are leak proof. So if you are filling them with liquids or anything like that, let's say you got strawberries with strawberry juices or cantaloupe with cantaloupe juice, whatnot, you don't have to worry about them leaking at all, which is really, really nice. They have a nice seal on all the various sides. It even does have on the lid, you have a little opening here that you can for kind of steam release, which is great. Now, if you are utilizing these in the oven, do note you want to take off the lids. The lids are not oven safe, but they are great for storage. Now, like I said, you can store this glass in a freezer or a refrigerator. Basically, it has a temperature range of -4 degrees on the cold side to 950 degrees Fahrenheit on the high side. And essentially the temperature swing of this is 248 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is the swing where the glass doesn't crack, which is great because like I said, you take it out of the freezer, put it in your oven as it's heating up, then the glass is going to be able to, as long as you're not within that range, which you really shouldn't be unless you're cooking something super, super, super hot. As far as pouring boiling water in here, you can do that. And then also, maintenance is super, super easy. You can obviously hand wash them, or you can put basically the lids on the top rack and the glass dishes anywhere in your dishwasher. No issues with them fogging up, especially like if you're pouring boiling water. You know how sometimes over time glass will get kind of foggy and kind of gross looking. No issues with that. They have a nice little lip lid here on them, which is what this connects to. So they're very easy to make sure that seal and attach. They're also resistant to kind of acids and acidities, and kind of because they are glass, they don't also hold any of the kind of food residue or anything like that. So if you're looking for a great way to ditch the plastic and store your leftovers or food in some nice glass container, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.